Hi, I'm Liav from Option Samurai, and I want to show you a few cool ways to use analyst target prices. An analyst target price is just where Wall Street analysts think a stock is headed, usually over the next 12 months. Here's how to put it to work. First, open up any scan and add the filter called Distance from Target Price. This will give you the percentage distance between the target price and today's stock price. Positive means the target is above today's price, while negative means it's below. Another thing you can do is to click the Add Scenario button. This lets you filter for trades that make money if the stock hits its average analyst target price. So set the distance to 0% from the target price, and set PL on margin, that's your profit or loss, to profitable. Hit Run Scan, and boom, there's your list. I can already see some pretty cool candidates here. The last trick I want to mention today is within the Research feature. Go to the main chart and click Overlays to add the analyst target price. Now it's right there on the price chart. I love having this up when I'm buying options. Anyway, give this cool feature a try. We have a 2-week free trial for you whenever you're ready.